If you've got a meal delivery service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple website for your meal delivery service. If you haven't heard of MartySites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, meal delivery. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's MartySites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name and your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MartySites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of MartySites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well, and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Your phone number is click to call. And your physical location, maybe you are mobile, but if you have an address, you can pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for you on your MartySites website, go ahead and click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make a little bit more personalized to your business, click on Update section directly underneath the sections. Underneath Update Image is where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through that photo library, hundreds of high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos. Under Update Action, we can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe of your different meal options, a menu. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your meal delivery service, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.